Shri Guru Namagar children. See, this is 12th standard state board, chapter 8, exercise 8.4. Eighth sum, if w of x comma y equal to xy plus sin of xy, then prove that dou square w by dou x dou y equal to dou square w by dou y dou x. So, w of x comma y equal to xy plus sin of xy. xy plus sin of xy. First you should find out dou w by dou x. Partially differentiate with respect to x. X become 1 y plus sin of xy. Sin of xy is nothing but what? Cos of xy. Differentiate of cos sin of xy is cos of xy. Then differentiate of xy with respect to x you are doing 1 into y. 1 into y. So it gives y plus y cos of xy. Y plus y cos of xy. Then dou w by dou y. Dou w by dou y. So y become 1, x into 1 plus sin of xy. Sin of xy is nothing but what? Cos of xy. X into y become 1. So it gives what is the answer? X plus x cos of xy. X plus x cos of xy. Then you move on to the first one, dou square w by dou x dou y. Dou square w by dou x dou y, it gives dou by dou w of dou by dou x of dou by dou x of dou w by dou y. Dou by dou x of dou by dou x of dou w by dou y. So it gives dou by dou x of dou w by dou y. What is the value of dou w by dou y? X plus x cos of xy. X plus x cos of xy. So with respect to x you are doing, that is partial differentiation with respect to x you are doing, x become 1. Here also x term is there. So you can use it as what? UV formula. It is a product rule. U x v dash, that is u v dash plus v u dash. Cos of means minus sin of xy. Minus sin of xy. Then differentiation of xy with respect to x you are doing. So it will come y. X become 1 plus v u dash. See, v into v is cos of xy into u become u dash is 1. So what is the final answer for this? See here, 1 minus xy sin of xy plus cos of xy. Cos of xy you can take it as 1. Cos of xy you can take it as 1. Now you move on to dou square w by dou y dou x. That is your right hand side. So dou by dou y of dou w by dou x. Dou by dou y of dou w by dou x. So it gives dou by dou y of, what is the value of dou w by dou x? Y plus y cos of xy. Y plus y cos of xy. So partially with respect to y we are doing, y become 1, y become 1. So here you can use it as what? UV formula. UV formula. Y into cos of xy v dash. What is the value? Minus sin of xy into x. Because y become 1 plus v. What is that v value? V is cos of xy into y become 1. Y become 1. So it gives 1 minus xy sin of xy plus cos of xy, you can take it as 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Dou square w by dou x dou y. Dou square w by dou x dou y equal to dou square w by dou y dou x. Hence the proof. See, if ninth sum, if b of x comma y comma z equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz, show that dou square v by dou y dou z equal to dou square v by dou z dou y. So first you should find out dou v by dou y with respect to y. Partially with respect to y we are doing. There is no y term, so it becomes 0. Y term is there, so 3y square. Here also become 0 because there is no y term. Here y become 1 remaining. As it is, you will write because it is in a form of a product. So it gives 3y square plus 3xz. Next you should find out dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z. So the first term is 0. Second term is also 0 because it is partially differentiation. 0. Third term is 3z square. Third term is 3z square. Here 3xy into z become 1. So it gives 3z square plus 3xy. Now you move on to the sum. Show that left hand side. What is the left hand side value? Dou square v by dou y dou z equal to, you can split up and write the value dou by dou y of dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z. So see here dou by dou y of dou v by dou z. What is the value of dou v by dou z? 3z square plus 3xy. 3z square plus 3xy. With respect to y we are doing, so it gives, with respect to y we are doing, so it gives, so with respect to y we are doing, so this term become 0 plus 3x into 1. So what is the value for this? 3x. Now you move on to the, what's the right hand side? What is the right hand side? Dou square v by dou z dou y. Dou square v by dou z dou y. Dou by dou z of. Dou by dou z of dou v by dou y. Dou by dou z of dou v by dou y. It gives dou by dou z of, what is the value of dou v by dou y? Dou v by dou y is what? 3y square plus 3xz. With respect to z you are doing, the first term is 0 plus 3x into 1. So you are getting the value what? 3x. So you can take it as 2. This one you can take it as 1. From 1 and 2, see, from 1 and 2, dou square v by dou y dou z equal to dou square v by, from 1 and 2, you will write it here, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 dou square, from 1 and 2 dou square v by dou y dou z equal to dou square v by dou z dou y. Hence the proof. See here exercise 8.6 first sum, find du by dt if u of x comma y equal to x square y plus 3x y power 4, x equal to e power t and y equal to sin t. First you write down the formula du by dt equal to dou w by dou x, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x into dx by dt. Chain rule formula you can write it first. Dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. dy by dt, you should find out everything first. See, w equal u of x comma y, u of x comma y equal to u of x comma y equal to x square y plus 3x y power 4. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x with respect to x, partially with respect to x you are doing. So 2xy plus 3y power 4, because x become 1. So dou u by dou y equal to, dou u by dou y equal to x square into 1 plus 3x into 4y cube. 4y cube, because with respect to y we are doing. So it gives x square plus 12x y cube. X square plus 12x y cube. See here, x equal to e power t, x equal to e power t, dx by dt, dx by dt equal to e power t, y equal to sin t, y equal to sin t, dy by dt, dy by dt, d is differentiation, dou is partial differentiation, it's a derivative, that is a partial derivative. So it gives cos t. So you can substitute in the formula. See here, du by dt, du by dt equal to dou u by dou x. What is the value of dou u by dou x? 2xy plus 3y power 4 into dx by dt. dx by dt is what? E power t plus see, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y is x square plus 12x y cube, x square plus 12x y cube into dy by dt is what? Cos t, into cos t. See, the sum, it is any with respect to t they are asking, so you can change it in the form of t. You know very well, x equal to e power t and y equal to sin t. You can substitute the value for x and y. See here, du by dt equal to 2 e power t sin t, 2 e power t sin t plus 3 sin t whole power 4 into e power t plus x square, e power t the whole square plus 12 e power t y cube, that is nothing but what? Sin t the whole cube into what? Into cos t. Sin t the whole cube into cos t. Is it clear? See here, 2 e power t sin t plus 3 sin power 4 t into e power t. You can take it as e power t is commonly out. So e power t into e power t plus 12 sin cube t into cos t. So e power t you can take it out commonly, e power t you can take it out, e power t into 2 e power t sin t plus 3 sin power 4t plus e power t, multiply that value, e power t cos t, plus 12 sin cube t into cos t, 12 sin cube t into cos t at t equal to 0. What is the value of du by dt? So du by dt equal to e power 0 into 2 e power 0 sin 0 plus 3 sin power 4 0 plus e power 0 cos 0 plus 12 sin cube 0 cos 0. What is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 equal to 0. Cos 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. E power 0. E power 0 equal to 1. So, what is the value you are getting? 1 into 0 into any number? 0. Sin 0 also 0. E power 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. That also sin 0 is 0. 0 into any number? 0. So, what is the answer for du by dt? Du by dt equal to 1. Du by dt equal to 1. See the second sum. If u of x comma y comma z equal to xy square z cube, x equal to sin t, y equal to cos t, z equal to 1 plus e power 2t, find du by dt. So, du by dt equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt. Dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. dz by dt. So, first you should find out u of x comma y comma z equal to x y square z cube. Dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x. What is dou u by dou x? X become 1. What is the remaining term? Y square z cube. So, it gives y square z cube. Next, dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y. So, x into 2y. N into x power n minus 1, that is y square. With respect to y I am doing. So, y square become what? 2y z cube. So, it gives 2xy z cube. Next, dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z with respect to z. So, x y square 3z square, x y square 3z square, x y square 3z square, it gives 3x y square z square, y square z square. Now you move on to x. X equal to sin t. X equal to sin t. Dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to cos t. Y equal to cos t. Y equal to cos t. dy by dt equal to minus sin t. Z equal to 1 plus e power 2t. Z equal to 1 plus e power 2t. dz by dt. This is derivative, that is partial derivative. 1 become 0. E power 2t is, differentiation is e power 2t into 2. E power 2t into 2. So, what is the value? 2 e power 2t. See, du by dt equal to dou u by dou x. Y square z cube. Y square z cube into dx by dt is what? Cos t plus dou u by dou y. 2x y z cube. 2x y z cube into minus sin t plus dou u by dou z. 3x y square z square 3x y square z square into 2 e power 2t. Once again, see here, dou u by dou x is y square z cube cos t plus 2xy z cube into minus sin t plus 3xy square z square into 2 e power 2t. So it gives y square z cube cos t minus, plus into minus 2xy z cube into sin t. 3 2s are 6 e power 2t into x y square z square. Now you change the value of x, y and z, because the answer it is in a form of t, because with respect to t only we are doing. So it gives, what is the value of y? Cos t the whole square. What is the value of z? 1 plus e power 2t the whole cube into cos t minus 2 into sin t cos t. 2 into sin t cos t. What is the value of z? 1 plus e power 2t the whole cube plus 6 e power 2t, 6 e power 2t, 6 e power 2t into, what is the value of x? Sin t. Value of x is sin t. Then y square is what? Cos t the whole square. Cos t the whole square. What is the value of z? 1 plus e power 2t the whole square. 1 plus e power 2t the whole square. See, sin t into sin t, sin square t. Sin t into sin t, sin square t. dw by dt. dw by dt. So it gives dw by dt equal to, dw by dt equal to, see, 1 plus e power 2 the whole cube, 1 plus e power 2 the whole cube, 1 plus e power 2 the e power 2t the whole square, 1 plus e power 2t the whole cube, 1 plus e power 2t the whole cube, 1 plus e power 2t the whole square. So I can take it as 1 plus e power 2t the whole square commonly out. So what is the remaining thing? Cos square t into cos t is nothing but what? Cos cube t. Cos square t into cos t is cos cube t into 1 plus e power 2t. 1 plus e power 2t. See, minus 2 sin square t into cos t, minus 2 sin square t into cos t into 1 plus e power 2t. 1 plus e power 2t here plus 6 e power 2t into sin t cos square t. Sin t cos square t.